Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Discord loading check fail. So let's try to fix it. I will give you some tips to do it. So if you have problems with the loading of Discord, you can do the next tips I give you. The first one is close Discord completely. How you can do it? Well, let's go to the taskbar, then right click here, and then let's go to Task Manager. Here you will find all the programs that are using here. As you can find here, you have Discord. So you have to finish all the process on Discord. How you can do it? Just click here on Finish Task, and you completely cross Discord without any problem. Now try to open Discord once again and check if this fixes it. The other option is uninstall the app and install once again. You can do it or go to your taskbar again, and let's go to apps, and here on apps you will find the app for Discord. So that's the last tip. So here you find the Discord option, and you can click here on install, this install, okay? And when you do it, once again try to install and try to open Discord. So that's how it works. As you can see, there are two tips. One of them is easy. You have to close correctly all the Discord process, and the second one is try to uninstall and reinstall once again. So guys, I hope one of these tips helped you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.